Suin Hwang.
I'm Seun-ho and Juno Won.
He's not here yet. As you can see, our team name is named after one of the famous techniques in soccer, Tiki, Taka. We are participating in a competition called KAI's AI World Cup, held in November. And there are 3 different parts in this competition, and we are doing one in the middle, AI commentator. AI commentator gives play-by-play commentary and short-term predictions on AI soccer matches. And it's basically giving comments on what's happening in the video. Here's an example.
The match kicks off with the whistle. The red team penetrates into the blue team zone. The blue team kicks the ball out. They try to attack the red team. The red team's...
And so, for example, if red's F1 is at the moment of shooting a goal, the commentator would announce the comments like, "Wonderful goal" here. Here we need 2 types of data. The first one is video. As you all know, video is a sequence of many image frames. They're going to be run by AI model. We first split the video into many frames and put it as an input data and run in the AI model. And we'll get back to the model part later on. And the second data we need is the info data, which include field, goal area, penalty area, game time, and so on. This information is rule-based because they are just static data. They don't have to be run by AI model because they indicate what's in the game, such as where the penalty area is or who has the ball, something like that. So there are 6 steps in total, and we are now, we've done 2 steps so far, and we are now in the progress in the next 2 steps. And we're going to finish the rest of them in February. The first step is competition simulator analysis and background study. We did the background study by learning how simulator works and by getting familiar with the soccer rules. It is very important to keep track of these rules because not meeting them would disqualify from this competition.
In order to choose a model that show best performance, we had to try several models and test them several times. We implemented 2 AI models. One is called OpenNMT, and another one is Video Transformer. Firstly, let me explain the OpenNMT model. To understand this model, we need to understand the machine translation task. The machine translation task is a task that converts time series data, such as speech, natural language, and videos, into another time series data. We applied this concept to our project. In other words, time series data for videos provided by AI World Cup into another type of time series data called comments. OpenNMT provides several models for machine translation task. Among them, the video to text model is perfect for us. This model uses CNN models to extract features such as contours and textures and store them into NumPy array. In other words, next we give this NumPy array into the transformer model. The transformer model generates comments through this input data and through several layers. using this model, we want to create a comment by cutting the video every 0.05 seconds. However, there is one problem with this model. In order to make an actual prediction using OpenNMT, the number of frames must be set. In other words, you need to decide how many frames you want to put into this model, which this value is fixed. For example, suppose we input a video of 1 minute into the model. In 10 minutes, if a sentence like blue team is in a fabulous position to score, and the next comment will output at 11 minutes, followed by the comments at 12 minutes. So it is very, very mechanically. Secondly, let me explain the video transformer. The model is a classifier that has a short match video and classify corresponding behaviors. To determine this class, the previous project team used a rule-based approach and classify and generate comments according to class. There are 8 classes in total, including steer, goal, kick, and extra. However, we implement video transformer to replace this part with the AI model. To explain more in detail, the input for this model is 1 second 20 FPS videos, which means that one video has 20 frames per second. And the output is the class, which is behavior corresponding to what's happening in each video. We are going to extract features from ResNet and put those features into transformer to classify behaviors. We choose 2 models like this. In conclusion, we decide to do post-learning assessments using real data to determine what would be better.
And the next step is data collection for AI model. The data set we collected to train our model looks like this. Previously we divided a long video into several short video clips, and every row is a training data for one video. The first column is the start time of the comment, and the second column is the end time. And the third column is the actual comment on videos, such as like Red's F2's ball taken by Blue's D1. And the last column represents the situation, which shows is the name for the action for each situation, such as steal or kick, dribble here. For the rule-based algorithm implementation, we are extracting only what we need from previous team's algorithm and apply to our code. We decided to use the rule-based algorithm because, as I said, they are static data and it can be simply coded. Here's our demo videos.